Have you ever wanted to delete your Google account completely, maybe because of privacy concerns, data issues, or just starting fresh? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to permanently delete your Google account in 2025, what happens when you do, and how to download your data safely before deleting. So watch carefully till the end, because once deleted, your account can't be recovered. Before deleting your Google account, you should know you'll lose access to Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, Photos, Calendar, and all other linked services. Any emails, files, photos, contacts, and even YouTube channels connected to that account will be gone forever. If you're using an Android phone, some apps and backups might stop working too. That's why it's smart to download a copy of your data first. To download your data, go to takeout.google.com. This is Google's official tool called Google Takeout. First, sign in with the account you want to delete. Next, select the data you want to keep, like Gmail, Drive, Photos, or YouTube. Then, scroll down and click on Next Step. Choose your preferred download format, for example, zip. Finally, click Create Export. Google will prepare your data and email you a download link. Once that's done, you're ready to delete the account. Before you proceed with deleting your account, here are some quick, essential tips to consider. First, update your recovery emails or any linked accounts to ensure continued access to other services. Also, save your login credentials somewhere safe and secure for any services connected to your Google account. Inform important contacts if you're deleting your Gmail to avoid any communication disruptions. Now let's delete your Google account permanently. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. On the left sidebar, click on Data and Privacy to proceed. Scroll down until you find more options on the page. Under it, click Delete your Google account to initiate the process. You'll be asked to sign in again for security purposes. Read the information carefully. It will show which services and data will be deleted. Check the two confirmation boxes at the bottom of the page. Finally, click Delete Account to complete the deletion. That's it. Your Google account is now permanently deleted. If you've just deleted your Google account by mistake, Google allows a short recovery window, typically lasting only a few days. To attempt restoration, navigate directly to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery and follow the prompts quickly. It's crucial to act fast because once Google permanently removes your account from their servers, it's gone forever and cannot be retrieved. Finally, remember that if you only want to delete Gmail, not your entire Google account, you can do that separately within your account settings.
So that's the complete 2025 guide on how to delete your Google account permanently, safely, and correctly. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. See you in the next one. Stay smart, stay secure.